Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about what could be the direction for these two cryptocurrencies, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin. So as we were talking about the direction in the last few videos, or you can say, in the last week, we are getting a sense that the price is basically trying to just hover around at the 19,000 level. So, I think you can just look at here and you can get an idea that the price is not moving on any side, and it's just giving you one day a green candle, another day a red candle. So, and this kind of momentum we can expect for the further more some more time, some more days, and till the time the price at least breaks a level. Now that level could be a resistance level or a support level. So now looking at the current situation, I am taking the 20,000 level as the resistance, and support level I am taking I'm taking this 18,966. So let me just mark it again, because unless and until I can see a good closing below than 19,000, that too with good volumes, I can't consider a lower level. So what we can see, we can take resistance at 20,000 and taking a support at 19,000, which is precisely 18,966. So now the probability of getting a fall is much more, because the overall trend in the Bitcoin is downward trend, and the price is falling basically. So we might not able to expect a very good momentum above 20,000, and if that happens, we might not able to see a sustainable upside momentum, right? So that is something we can look at for the Bitcoin. So overall we can expect a fall, and that fall is pretty much expected, and we just need to see when the price trades below then or closes below then 19,000 level. So this is for the Bitcoin. And Ethereum is also trading. It's trading in a range, and the range for the Ethereum is somewhere around 1510. This is the resistance, and the support area is 1215. So just look at these candles. You can clearly get an idea that there is no momentum. So here also we are lacking the momentum, and also now the price is trading below than this 100 EMA, so we can expect a further fall. So for that, once the price reach towards 1215, which is the support area, and then closes below than this support level, then we will think of further fall. So till the time the price is just trading above, we can expect that the price will be in the range bound situation. So this is the direction and the momentum that we can expect further in the short term, in the near term. And if you are gaining some knowledge, if you think that this video is useful to you, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. So this is all from my side today, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching me.